How to get ads on Candy Crush Saga. To get ads in Candy Crush Saga and on rewards like boosters or extra lives, this video is a short guide to help you out. The very first step is you need to update the game. Make sure your Candy Crush Saga app is updated to the latest version. Ads for rewards are often available in newer updates. The second thing is you must check your internet connection. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or have mobile data enabled. The third step you can do is watch ad triggered features. Look for opportunities to watch ads within the game. Like whenever you fail a level, you will sometimes get an option to watch an ad for 5 extra moves. So do not miss this one. The fourth step is restart the game. If you don't see any ads, try restarting the game or your device. Sometimes ads take time to load or may appear after the game reloads. After following all of this, you'll surely get ads on Candy Crush Saga. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.